Welcome again today. Today we are going to draw the pizza. Sam, are you happy to draw pizza today?
Yeah, I'm going to eat the pizza.
We are going to eat. Don't worry, just wait. Draw it first before you eat. Okay, so start from this point. Can you see from the top here? And make a big circle. And stop what we are doing. And stop somewhere here. It's okay. Awesome. Then from this.
How you did it?
Yeah, it's okay. It's good. Pizza is not completely a round shape. It's funny. Right? Just make a point at the middle and join from this top and join to that middle. A straight line. Then from here, from this one, and join to the same middle. Like this. Awesome. Okay. So now we are going to do a shape that is like a triangle. Make a point here at this middle, at this point.
This here?
Yeah. Okay. So from here, from this middle, from this point, draw a straight line out like this.
Out like this?
Yeah. Take it out. Go up. Go higher. More than that line. It's okay. And from here, make another one.
High.
Like this. It's going to be like a V or a tri. It's okay. And then you curve it. Curve this to join this point.
It looks like a real pizza.
Yeah, we're making a real and delicious pizza.
It's not real.
Okay, it's not real. All right, from here, are you ready?
Yeah.
Just draw a line to go round it.
It looks like watermelon.
Okay. Go around it. Awesome. And the same way we do it here, you also do this. Awesome. Okay. Let's also divide the pizza. Just give from here, make a straight line that will come down like this. From this point, just go straight down. Awesome. And from here, also go straight down like this. Wonderful. What we are going to do next, let's just make a little of a zigzag shape here. Just do a zigzag.
But pizza don't have zigzag.
Yeah, sometimes the toppings, the tomatoes, just make some zigzag shape in it. Zigzag shape around here. Easy, not too much. And you also stop there. Yeah, stop at that end. And then do the same for this one. Just make
All of them?
Only this one and the one at the top. Do similar, not too much. Okay, that's awesome.
Well,
Then let's draw a circle here. The tomatoes or the vegetables. Just make circles.
pizza.
Just few circles, not too many. Just two. It's okay. As you've done there, go into this one. Do like two there. And then you go to the other one. He goes to this one. And also do some as well. Okay. And do inside here as well.
It looks like that one is here.
Yeah, so funny. Alright, so let's also let's draw something like a rectangle like this.
A rectangle? Why are you putting a rectangle?
Yeah, it's also vegetable.
Also vegetable?
Yeah.
Yucky vegetable.
Ah, but you like pizza?
Yeah, only pizza and sweets too.
Alright, this is so fine. So much of pizza. Alright, so let's color it now. Are you ready?
I draw a tiny nose.
Alright, so let's color it. Let's get our brown.
And we draw like a million things we have to color.
Yeah, we have to color. Alright, so get your brown. We're going to use this brown to color this outside gap or area. So just color.
Daddy, it's gonna take a long time.
Yeah, it's okay. Take a while, but it's okay.
Yeah, when you post them, it will go on the TV.
Yeah.
Our videos are being going post.
Yes. Want our videos to go viral?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Viral.
So Yeah, so let's keep.
Everybody will see it on their phones.
Yes.
And they'll watch our videos.
Yes, so let's keep making interesting drawings and fun drawings for your friends. And
To
also
watch.
to watch and to learn from. Okay? And also for you to keep improving and doing very well in your own drawing and improving your skills.
When I grow up, I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna be a painter.
You're going to be a painter and an artist.
Yeah, and a doctor.
Everything you're going to be a doctor as well. So, it's so funny.
I love being grown up.
The other day you say you're going to be an officer. Are you still going to be officer?
Yeah. I'm gonna be Lanaton.
Yeah, you say you're going to be a firefighter.
Yeah.
Oh,
firefighter, teacher.
You're going to be a teacher. Oh, a lot of things you're going to be.
I'm gonna be a babysitter.
Super. I've not heard you say that before. This is the first time you're saying you're going to be a babysitter. Alright, so are you done with that? If when you're done, you move to the side.
I'm not done.
Yeah, keep going.
My pizza looks yummy.
Yeah.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah. You're not done yet, and you want to eat it.
Okay, I do not eat it.
Yeah, you have to. You have completed, so it will be very delicious.
To eat.
Yeah, and yummy, and enticing to the eyes. So keep going, keep coloring. This is a brown color. Yeah. What do you know that has a brown color in nature?
A tree branch?
Yeah, tree branches have brown color. Awesome, that's so fine. Any other thing else? You know?
Like a lot of coloring teddy bears.
Teddy
like
bear?
a brown teddy bear.
Yeah, I can agree with that. Teddy bears come in brown colors. Their body is always brown.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going.
Unlike panda bears.
Panda. I think panda
Like
comes
black.
in black and white.
But
okay.
like a scary panda bear.
Scary
only brown.
Oh, maybe the ones for Halloween.
Yeah.
Scary panda.
And the brown ones on Halloween.
Are you almost done? That is done.
No.
Let's keep going. It's okay. Keep going. After that, you get the red color.
I'm already done.
You're done too. Oh, awesome. Get the red color. So we're going to use the red color to color this part of the pizza.
What about the tomatoes?
Yeah, you can color the circles as well. Let's color the circles, which is the tomatoes and other vegetables, not just tomato alone. Just color only the round one red. The other one is going to have another color. So.
Oops, I colored this one.
No, don't color. It's okay. It's okay. Just leave it. It's fine. But don't color the other ones. You can just leave them. Gonna give them another color.
That one's gonna be a pepper.
Pepper. Going to be so spicy.
But I still like pizza.
Yeah. The other day we went to the shop and we got pizza and you finished it.
And my cupcake, my muffin.
Yeah, muffin.
Muffin cupcake.
Alright, when you are done, you color this part red.
I have to
color this part. Oh, this area red as well.
I'm gonna finish.
Okay, let's keep going.
You're gonna lose.
Oh no, there's no loser.
Yes, is it?
We are all winners. Just make a good coloring. Don't leave white spaces so that your pizza will be so yummy. Okay?
It's good we did not go. It's good we did not start again.
Yeah.
Because we just started one more time. And we're already drawn the pizza.
We haven't colored here. Well, so when you're done, you color there as well. No, you can color here and also color here as well.
But I did it. I colored a little. I thought you're going to say you'll have to start again.
No. You're doing well. Good job. Good job, Summer.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Just do it well. Cover all the white spaces. I'm seeing lots of white spaces there. Just keep coloring.
Okay, I'm done. I'm
Are
already
you done? There's white spaces here. Can you just fill it up a bit more? Let's go. Keep coloring. We're almost done. Easy.
Done already.
You are done already. Awesome. Summer is so fast. So fast. She's done coloring her part of
Yeah.
coloring her pizza.
I'm
Alright. We are going to give this
Hey,
area
I still
a
have
yellow
more
color.
tomatoes.
Where's the tomato? Okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, you've not colored it. This ones, this round ones. Okay. Do that. Then we'll get the green color after that.
And there's a lot of red.
It's okay. That's pizza. Pizza has so much of red color on it.
But I don't know that much red. And there's still more color.
Okay, so let's give this a green color. This one. Just the rectangles or the square. You have. They are vegetables. Awesome. All right, so let's color the rest. Let's color the rest of the bowl. Let's give it a.
This color?
Nope, a yellow color.
I thought it was this color.
Funny. You've used red. You've used the dark color before, which is green. So let's do yellow.
Yellow for pizza. No, yellow's not for pizza.
So what do we use for pizza? We use
Yellow is for sun.
yellow is for sun. So what do you want us to use? We use orange.
Yeah, that's okay.
Or we use yellow.
Maybe orange.
Orange. It's okay. Get your orange then. That started a little bit, but it's okay. It's fine. Let's color. I'll still color over it.
Yeah, we can color the top of it. Because orange is not going to take the color.
Yeah.
Because orange is so bright.
Yeah, orange is still fine.
Yellow and orange is good. For pizza.
For pizza, yeah. Okay.
We can color yellow for something else, like a sun.
Alright. If you say so, I don't mind. Any color is fine for me.
I like pink and purple and yellow. And Daddy likes some other colors.
Yeah.
Because boys like different colors. Like icky green.
Yeah, boys like other colors like blue.
Yeah, you like blue and cars. But I like angels.
We like angels. Yeah, boys like cars. But girls like angels, they like a doll.
And they like dogs.
Okay.
Boys like dogs
Yeah,
too.
we like dogs too. Awesome, yeah, you're correct. And cats.
Yeah, I like cats. I want a cat to come in our house.
Some
I'm almost done with my pizza. Well,
you know you're not going to color outside. Here is outside. You're going to color inside of this.
yeah, because it's the paper.
Yeah, yeah, you can color paper, yeah.
But it will take for a long time to color the paper.
No, it's going to take okay, it's going to take a long time.
Yeah, because Daddy's not going to be that excited to color it all.
Yeah.
It can. We'll have to do it again.
Alright.
My hand is sweating.
It's okay. We're almost done.
Almost.
I know you had an injury on your hand, on your finger, and it's affecting you, but it's okay. You can still draw with it, is it not?
Yeah.
Is it paining you as you're drawing?
No.
It's not paining you. Awesome. That's good.
It's only when I squeeze it.
Only when you squeeze it, it will pain you.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. You mistakenly put your hand on
That hole.
on a hole where something then punctured your hand, the tip of your finger. Sorry.
Yeah, like that too.
Yeah.
Like that circle.
Sorry for that. Have to be careful next time. Don't be putting your hand anywhere. Remember the other day we went for shopping and you went and put your hand inside a machine because you wanted to get the ball inside that machine.
Yeah.
And then your hand got stuck. It was so funny that day. In fact, it wasn't funny because you were crying, screaming. We have to call the staff there to help you, and finally your hand was able to come out.
But I did not get any toy.
You did not get, but we finally got something for you that day, isn't it? Did you get something? We got something for you that day. Are you done?
What did you get?
We got a ball for you. Didn't we got a ball for you. How do you see the pizza? Ooh, this is awesome.
I want the other toy.
It's okay. We'll get other toys for you. Awesome. Wow, Summer, how do you see the pizza? So yummy.
Yeah.
Mama wants to eat a pizza.
I
Wow.
ate the whole pizza.
Wow, friends. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Subscribe to the channel, and if you did not subscribe now, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Alright, friends. Bye bye. See you next time. Please subscribe to our channel if you've not done so. Bye.
Bye.